So here is the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. I bought a brand new drone, DJI Mavic 2 Professional with Hasselblad camera, and I bought this extra pack because to have drone inside, it's smart to have something to travel around with, and 2 more extra battery and charger, so you can charge many battery in the same time. You can have, I think you can have 4 battery on this, and you can even charge it in car. So this Fly More kit is very useful if you want to fly much and if you want to have a safe way to carry your drone. So we open it. It's sealed, of course, like all things are from DJI, brand new. So we take an unboxing. Big box, but it's many things inside here. So, and this battery here on this Mavic, it's 4-cell LiPo. The first Mavic had 3-cell, so it's like the same like Phantom 4. More power. Yes. First we see is the bag. Some plastic things. Some manual here. It's then a little bit about battery, maybe guarantee, something like that. Fly More kit, blah blah blah. In different languages, yeah, you can see here. But I had near all of this DJI drone from beginning, so I know how these things works. Okay, see here. This is solid. Yes. Illustrate how you can put your drone camera down. Yeah. DJI. Okay. Yes. So 1, 2, and I can see some battery down here. Here is like this. Yes. Here, 2 battery. Yes, smart. So here is this battery up to 31 minutes flight time. But it's never like that. They have made 31 minutes, but of course maybe you get 25 or something. But this car, Okay, this is this hub, charging hub. This you can take 4 battery, and props, should be props here too. Props, yes. Here it is. What I'm talking about, to have many battery inside. Here, this battery, you can have 4 of them, and then you use this under here, like there. Smart. And then you can use it in car. This is, yeah, see here, Mavic 2. Nice. We have everything here, but we have not these props. Where is these props? Like this. We have everything. It should be in the bag, of course. Yes, here we are. We have 2. We have 1 pair. We have 2 of white. It's like white there, and black. So this is for, if you lose all your props, you have 1 here for your drone. That's good. But I have never lose a props on a DJI product, and I had all drone. Many of them I have still Inspire, but I never crash. I never make something. So I never break a props. But of course it can happen. It's good to have anyway. So this is inside this Fly More kit. SV charge battery. This can handle 4. This hub. So I have 3 battery now for my Mavic 2 Pro Hasselblad camera. And this is because this drone here, you have 8 kilometer range. This in FC mode. In Europe you have 5 kilometer, but even it's extremely long. And you have this new signal too, OcuSync 2 I think it is, and yeah, this works extremely good. You have long flight time, 31 minutes in 1 battery. No drone on market can fly so long in 1 charging. It's extremely long. So you have 3 battery, you have 1.5 hour flight time. Oh my god, it's long. So it's perfect. And you have a camera who are professional. It's this camera from Hasselblad. It's made with DJI and Hasselblad together. Have used 2 years to make that camera. They write like that, so I believe them. It's 1-inch sensor, so this is the Mavic 2 Fly More kit.